Coach, disappointed. Being able to take the 3 points tonight.
Yeah, most definitely. You know, we lapsed in the last 5 minutes, and you know, George is a quality type side. There's no doubt about it. You know, they came here to play. Likewise, we took the lead. You know, we didn't be able to hang on in the added time, but nevertheless, you know, kudos to the boys. They went out there and they did what they were supposed to.
We got the preparation to this game. You see that the boys carried out majority of basically almost everything that you wanted them to do.
It's just a pity we didn't compete, we didn't finish some of the chances that we got, you know. But I'm not taking anything away from them. They played their heart out.
Despite conceding a late goal, are you impressed with the defensive performance tonight?
Most definitely. It's just a lapse. And I mean, schoolboys, you know, after playing 90 odd minutes, you know, the brain I go wander. However, it wandered at the wrong time, and that cost us a goal.
Let us dive into football politics. Which team you look to be one of your greatest rivals going on to the Super Cup?
Hydel, greatest rival. If Hydel come out here and play Hydel football, you know, sky is the limit.
All right, coach.